Let's look at the first case. There are 2 lanes on the overpass. Traffic is heavy ahead. There's a bit of a traffic jam. At this time, the driver is slowly following the vehicles ahead. Pay attention. There's also a car in the right lane at this time. The car is coming up. The white SUV is right next to us. Currently, the 2 drivers haven't had any conflict yet. But as we move forward, notice that 2 lanes merge into 1 lane. It should be entering this ramp. So, at this point, our driver and the car on the right are constantly jostling. Who do you think should go first in this situation? But I reckon, if you encounter such a situation, you wouldn't want to yield, right? No one would definitely want to let the other person go first. The result of this is, generally, there will be scratches. I suggest that everyone, when encountering such a situation, please everyone, definitely don't get road rage. You must keep a good attitude. If you can yield, just yield. There's no such thing as losing out. In the end, the car owner chose to let him go. This is not to say that the technique is not good. I was afraid of him. I think the car owner's quality is better than his. We're not like him. We shouldn't stoop to his level. Secondly, pay attention, the car is coming up from the left lane. He's changing lanes first. At this point, I don't know if he and our car owner had any unpleasantries before. Then the car owner followed closely. Started to overtake him from the left lane. As a result, he also started to change lanes. The car owner went to the right. And then he tries to merge right. At this moment, the car owner couldn't take it anymore. If it were only for the first time. Because he changed lanes, affected the car owner. The car owner is a bit road raged. If something had happened between them before, I wouldn't comment. I don't know who's right or wrong. The third case, yeah. Let's take a look at another case of road rage. Let's see what's happening. Pay attention up ahead. The car owner is in this lane now. There's another lane on the left. This is a curve. The car owner, you see here, crossed the line and changed lanes to the left lane. Then in this area, crossed the line on the right and returned here, to the right lane. A taxi came up on the right and squeezed the car owner back. At this time, the car owner was probably a bit unhappy. Then the car owner started to accelerate, changing lanes to the right, and started to cut off the taxi. Then the taxi driver, you see, was also unhappy, and accelerated as well, cutting off our car owner. Here, both parties have already started to experience road rage. Then the 2 drivers began to compete in driving skills, to see who would force the other to the side of the road. But I really suggest everyone stay calm at this moment. You must stay calm. If neither side stays calm at that time, if neither side backs down, then the result is often very dangerous. Let's take a look. At this moment, the taxi. It veered over and couldn't brake in time. It rear-ended the car in front, although the car owner won the situation. But I don't feel superior. It's really unnecessary. We're all Chinese. Why bother? Wasn't the 4th car owner driving normally in the left lane? There's a motorcycle on the right up ahead. Watch out, it's starting to change lanes continuously. Wow, holy moly. The car owner couldn't brake in time. The motorcycle actually used its turn signal. But changing lanes like that is also very dangerous. When we're driving on the road, and we see motorcycles and electric bikes, it's best to anticipate in advance. 5th. Watch, the taxi on the right suddenly changes lanes here. Always getting ready to turn around, and it hit us. Didn't even use a turn signal. Not even as good as the motorcycle before. Finally, passed through another green light. After passing the intersection, the car owner went into the left lane. The vehicle in front also started to change lanes to the left. After changing lanes, a situation occurred in front. Suddenly braked hard. The car owner was probably distracted at this time, and couldn't brake in time, and rear-ended the car in front. Unlucky.